I was thinking of doing a cool tone look. I picked up some products that are older in my collection. None of them are new, but some of them are newer. Let's play with some makeup. I'm gonna start with my Westman Atelier in Peau de Pêche. And I use this just to hydrate my face a little bit and give it that nice, healthy looking skin look. I haven't bought makeup lately. I've been looking on the Sephora website and nothing really intrigues me. I saw a lot of limited edition stuff. I'm not a big fan of that. I saw the Westman Atelier mini blushes and I canceled my purchase because I've noticed that one of them I already have. So I don't really want to spend $85 for just 2 different shades. Nothing really intrigues me. I saw Patrick Ta has a new eyeshadow palette that has 6 eyeshadows, and when I looked at it and then I looked at the Major Dimension one that I have, the cool tone one or the one that's more matte, it looks like it's the first 6 shades. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but from the pictures that's what I've noticed. Yeah, I don't know, nothing really intrigues me and I don't really want to spend the money just because it's a new product. I have to be excited about it if I purchase it. So today I'm gonna use my YSL All Hours foundation. And this is the Luminous Matte one. And the shade I have is LN3. I don't remember what I'm thinking about this foundation. So I'm just going to pump 1, 2, and go with a brush. This is the Makeup by Mario F4 brush. I have no idea what I'm thinking of this foundation. Wow, it's a lot of coverage already, what I'm seeing. Yeah, I still have a lot of foundation on my hand that I can use. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's snowing here today. Can you believe it? Snow. We have snow. I think it's only today. It started last night, but I hate snow. Oh, I love the smell. So I'm going to go with my dampened sponge now and make sure that, oh, it looks really nice. I forgot how nice this foundation looks. So I didn't bring a lot of foundation in my under eye area. I'm just going to use a concealer today. I pretty much use the whole foundation. I really hate wasting it, but I think it's perfect. Okay. Yeah, I'm still loving this foundation. It looks really nice. And I actually love the shade. I think it matches perfectly. Let's put them all here. I don't like having clutter on my desk. So this one, the Westman Atelier Concealer. It's so cute. You can see right here how much product there's left. And this is in the shade Atelier L1. It's a Vital Skincare Concealer. And there's the doe foot applicator. It's so cute and tiny. So I'm just going to focus on this area here. I don't want too much product. This looks so nice. So I let it sit a bit and look how nice it just blended and just diffused this area. This is a great concealer to use on those days where you don't want to use a foundation. It's going to look really nice. Oh, it's so nice to play with makeup. I had to turn my phone off because it just keeps binging. People just don't let me have my own time at all. So that's done. Now I'm going to go to this product. I'm excited. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Sculpt in Precious Latte. It's such a nice cool tone bronzer. I'm excited to use it. It's so pretty. Like, look at this. It's one of my favorite bronzers, to tell you the truth, because it doesn't take a lot of work. It's very natural looking. It's not too deep. It's not too cool tone. And the way it blends, it's very lightweight and very natural. Such a pretty bronzer. Definitely recommend this one. And it's so easy to travel with, and you can also use this on the eye, which I think I might use today. I just cannot stop bronzing with this product. Okay, so let's move on to a blush. So I thought for cool tone blushes, I think that a pink one would be just best. And of course, I'm going to choose one of my favorites. And this is by Dior, the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow in 001 Pink. And I think this is going to be good. Let's go into this one. So I'm going to use the same Hourglass brush. I think this cool tone look is perfect for today with this bad weather outside. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so for the eyes, I have one product only, but 2 different shades. So we're gonna play with the Giorgio Armani eye tints, and I have shade 30M, which is the cool tone one, and then 67S, which is this shimmery one, which I'm gonna put like in the middle of my eye a little bit only. So let's start with this one. Only need a brush. So what I'm gonna do is, look at this doe foot applicator. I'm gonna put some in the back of my hand and take a BK Beauty 201 and just use the product this way. This is a nice cool tone color. That's so pretty. Here, let me zoom you guys in. Oh, this is just such a fast one and done eye look. Let's see if we can use the rest. Maybe I have to add a little bit more. Someone gave me this idea that it's the best way to use this product, or the most easiest as well, than just applying it to the eye, because you can control how much you put on the eye, which is a great idea. I really love, I have one more of the shades, which is more of a warm tone shade, and I really love that shade as well. But since we're doing a cool tone, so I'm going to use a little bit more because I want to use it on the bottom lash. And this is the A504 by BK Beauty, and I just want to bring it down here as well, just like that, so that we can just tie the color together with the top part. And these are waterproof as well, so oh, I think I put a little bit too much, but it's okay. I'm gonna bring it upwards like this. Go into my first brush, my blending one. Try blend the outer corner here. So now let's go into the 67S, this nice shimmery one. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna go the back of my hand. It's such a nice champagne color right there. And I'm gonna go with a blinked brush, is E5. And try put it all over the eyelid. I think this will be better to just put it on the eyelid. Ooh, maybe that's too much. But yeah, I think this works better if you put it on the eyelid. Because of the nice shimmers, I think it's going to intensify it more than just putting it on the hand. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty color. I think out of the two shades by Giorgio Armani, the 22M, which is this warm toned, I like more better than this. Like, this is still nice because it's a cool tone. I find it more muddy looking, but it's in a good way muddy looking. But this one right here, the warm toned one, it looks so beautiful, and it works really good with like a nice suntan bronzy look. I think you're gonna love it as well. So if you were to choose between 22M and 30M, I would recommend 22M for most people. This is what a cool tone one looks like. Let's quickly add mascara. My mascara, I'm going to use my Tarte Tartelette Tubing Mascara. And the shade I'm using today is, I don't know which one I grabbed, brown. I will be right back with lips, and we're going to have to choose and see which lip color goes good with this look. Okay, so here is the eye look complete. What do you guys think? Something very simple. It's just perfect for a cool tone look. Yeah, I love how everything turned out. Now let's move on to lips. For lips, I had in mind the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. And then I had my Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in this shade right here. Soft Haze. But I also had my Huda Beauty, which I think this would look good with the blush. But I want this for some reason. So let's try this. Let's line the lips with my Charlotte Tilbury one, because this is more of a nude. So you can't go wrong with this shade at all. Definitely need to sharpen it. I need to sharpen this next time. And then this is a new one. This is the Matte Lipsticks by Anastasia. And the shade is Soft Haze. And look how pretty it looks. It looks so luxurious. And the color I have, this does look like a cool tone. So I think we're going to stick with this. I'm not sure if it's going to match the blush, but it doesn't matter. We're just having fun here. I think it does match the cool tone look for sure. Let's get a lip brush and diffuse it. It's such a pretty shade. Like it's a nude. I love that it's a matte. And I love that it has this, some purple undertone, something in there, which ties everything together, in my opinion anyways. Okay, so here is the final look, more of a cool tone look for everyone. I don't know what other blush I could have chosen for a cool tone look. So let me know down below if you guys have any cool tone blushes in your collection, or what do you suggest. But I think that this looks really nice. It's perfect for those days where you don't go out. Even if you go out, you know, you look put together. But yeah, thanks for joining me in today's cool tone look. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you all a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.